If you use Mailchimp to manage your audience, tags are one of the easiest ways to organize contacts, segment subscribers, and keep your email marketing clean and efficient. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create tags in Mailchimp step by step, so you can label contacts and build smarter segments in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're inside your account, look at the main navigation and click on Audience. This is where Mailchimp keeps your contacts, lists, and audience management tools. After that, click on Tags. Tags are basically labels you can attach to contacts, so you can group people by interest, behavior, source, or any custom category you want. On the Tags page, click on Create New Tag. This will open the option to add a brand new label for your audience. Now type in your tag name. Try to choose something clear and useful, like webinar lead, customer, newsletter subscriber, or product interest, depending on how you plan to use it. The more organized your tag names are, the easier it will be to segment and automate your campaigns later. Once you've typed the name, click Create. Mailchimp will instantly add the new tag to your audience, and it will be ready to apply to contacts whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created a tag in Mailchimp. This small step can make a big difference when it comes to keeping your contact list organized and sending more targeted email campaigns. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp tutorials, marketing tips, and easy step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.